Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 7, Air and Atmosphere. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you the topic uses of water vapor. So let us know uses of water vapor. First, it determines the climatic condition of environment. Second, it controls the rate of evaporation. Third, it is essential for growth of plant and good health of animals and living beings. So dear student, these are the few uses of water vapor. Let us know about it. It determines the climatic condition. Means climatic condition used to change due to the presence or absence of the water vapor. When the amount of the water vapor is more in air, the climate condition is pleasant. When the amount of the water vapor is very less, air is dry and condition is not so pleasant. Second, it is to control the rate of evaporation. When the amount of the water vapor is more in air during the rainy season, then you must have noticed the rate of evaporation used to decrease. During rainy season, when we spread our clothes after cleaning, it remains wet for the 3-4 days. Reason behind it, the rate of evaporation is being decreased due to increased amount of the water vapor in the air. Next, it is essential for the growth of plant and also for the good health of the animal and other living organism. So dear student, water vapor also play an important role in the life of the human beings, plant and also to change the climatic condition of the environment. Let us know the different form of the water vapor. The different form of water vapor are: first, fog. Second, mist. Third, dew. Fourth, frost. Fifth, snow. 6. Hell. 7. Sleet. So dear student, these are the 7 different form of water vapor: fog, mist, dew, frost, snow, hail or hailstone, and sleet. Let us know about it. Fog. When the water vapor used to condense on the ground level, due to the low temperature known as fog. Mist. What do you mean by the mist? Tiny droplet of the water suspended in the air, known as mist, dear student. Dew. Water vapor when come in contact to the cold surface, it used to condense and form droplet of the water, that is known as a dew. Early morning you may have seen on the leaves dewdrops. So it is the condensed form of water vapor. 4th, frost. Frozen dew. Dear student, when the dew used to freeze and form ice, known as a frost. Snow. When the water vapor freeze and become ice and fall in the form of the flask, known as a snow. Hail. Hail or hailstone, a tiny ball of the ice which used to fall in the form of the rain, known as a hail or hailstone. It is also a form of the water vapor which used to form ice ball due to the low temperature. Next, sleet. When the snow and rain fall together, known as a sleet. So dear student, these are the 7 form of the water vapor and our uses of water vapor. So please you read the topic and learn about the uses of water vapor and different form of water vapor. Thank you dear students.